Hi guys, so as we just saw the video explaining what rounding is, you already know. You look at the number next to it. If it's a 5, you go up. And if it's a 4 or lower, you go down. So let's take a look at our first problem. This is on page 25. Number 9. We're not going to do the top part. We're just going to go ahead and do this. So I look here and there's a 3. So that means this is going to stay the same. After the 9s, I'm just going to put zeros. You're going to write 4, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 4 zeros. So our problem was 4, 9, 3, comma 2, 9, 5. And what you should write is 4, 9, 0, comma 0, 0, 0. All right. And here we go. Now we're going to try to say it. 490,000. 490,000. All right, that's number 9. Let's go back and look at our number 10. 39,230. 39,230. Now you're going to try saying it. Ready, set, go. 39,230. So the 3 is underlined this time. So the 10,000s we're going to round up. I look next to it. Oh, it's a 9. That means my 3 is going to go up and turn into a 4. So for number 10, we have 39,230. And we're going to change that to 40,000. And that's it. All the numbers afterwards become 0. Remember, the one we were changing was the 3. Next to it was a 9. So that's how we know it to go. Number 11 is covered by my head. I could move it out of the way, but I'm not going to. You're going to do number 11 by yourself. Okay, so a 7's next to the 2 that's underlined. 7 is higher than 5, so the 2 is going to go up. This becomes 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The mathematicians don't talk like that. We say 300,000. Okay, let's go to number 12. I will do that one with you. Again, I skipped 11. Oh, good. I see a lot of people already know how to do this. You're good to go. Start sailing through it. You don't need to finish it up with me. If you need to, keep listening. And we have 54,846. And our underlying number is the number 8. So that's where we're going to round. We look next to it, and it's a 4. Do you remember the rule for 4? If it's more than 5, you round up. If it's a 4, it stays the same. So after the 8, we're going to have zeros. And that turns into 54,840. I'm sorry. Nope. Said that wrong. Erase. 54,800. All you're writing is the ones that have all the zeros. That's what you're writing. Ones that have all the zeros. Okay, 13. I'm not going to go back to the paper because it's just easier to go. 4,028. And our 2 is underlined. So we look next to the line. We look next to the number that is underlined. And if it is more than 5, the underlined number will go up by 1, turning 4,082 to 4,030. 10 seconds to write. Okay, 14. 638,365. And the 6th is underlined. I look next to the 6. I see that it's a 3. If it is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, the number stays. So the 6 is going to stay. We're not going to change it. And everything after the 6 becomes zeros. 6, 0, 0, 0, 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Number 15. 453,280 with the 3 being underlined. I look next to it. If it's a low number, everything after the 3 zeros and the 3 stays the same. So this becomes 453 0, 0, 0. Wait, that's not right. Which number am I doing? No! I got a text message right in the middle of that. Stop paying attention. If the 3 is underlined and there's a 2, no, that is right. Even I make mistakes. All right. 16. 17,909. With the 9, this 9. Underline. So everything after that becomes a 0. That turns into 17,900. 17. You're starting to get the hang of it. If you could do this by yourself, you could stop watching. You're good to go. Number 17 is 956,000. Missing a 0. And I have to round starting at the 9. 5 or more goes up. So this becomes, I know it's a little tough one. It turns into 10. Now everything else becomes 0. So I have 1 0, 2 0, 3, 4, 5. 5 more zeros. This is just for this. Okay? Now the 6 becomes a 0, so I have 1 more 0. And the 5 becomes a 0. And the 9 becomes a 10, so I have an additional 0 added. All right. Last one for me helping you. The rest of them you're doing by yourself. Last one for me helping you. 18. Number 18 is 55,460 with the 5 underlined. I look next to the 5, and if it's a 4, 3, 2, or 1, the 5 is going to stay the same. I see it's a 4, so the 5 is going to stay the same. 55, and then everything else gets set to 0. 55,000. All right, you got the rest of these. All of the runs in the front. And we are going to talk about this probably after recess, because I don't have anything for word study. And we'll do the back of this one. Maybe I'll do a Kahoot for practicing rounding. I don't know. You know what we'll talk about.